Alright, everybody, we get to put in some work. Everybody. And then, after they're done, after I'm done working these guys and they're working the chickens, I'm gonna go put in some work on the property. Try to finish out the breeding pens. You let that door shut, man. You gotta get out there. See, it is hot. It's baking like an oven, as you see. Usually when I walk out here, I can't make it a couple feet without chicken everywhere. Cat Williams. I see you, Cat Williams. Man, they destroyed that bag. What's up, Champito? Why you so hot? Why you so hot? Why you so hot? You drink just water, huh? You drink just water? Alright, I'll bring you some water. Some water. Who wants that water? Junior, get over here now. Now. You think you're smart, huh, Juju? You ain't. Now. Up, Juju. This is MsuBully, an alien dog bloodline, and Ayam Homestead. Dang, he's a grass eater, huh? Yeah, that's what I'm right there, buddy. Pretty girl. Who's running who around? Where's my little biscuit? Oh, damn. Now that close to getting a toy. You didn't even nothing. You don't eat nothing. Hey girl, look behind you. Little bits of Juju! House now! Alright, that's in with the dogs. We're going in. Damn, we got some drama going on. Juju now! Up, bring it to the house. Oh, you see the pretty puppy cry. The little puppy cry. It's just a little puppy. You the daddy? Never know. Are you the daddy? This ain't the Murray show. Hell no, you ain't the daddy, fool. That's a pimp right there. Juju, now, house. It's not a question. It's a mother trucking fact. We talking in real seas. Get your butt to the hills of Bresse. Come on, little Bizzle. No. Ooh, push the button. Go. Take your butt to the hand. Go. Man, you like a creeping and crawling type of dog. Come on. Why are you so short? I'll let you out in a minute. Oh, look at that. They love some grass. There's some grass. They love the grass. Juju Belly, come on. Junior. What'd I say, boy? Bring it to the high. You done broke the cardinal rule of Pimp Skinny. Old school pimping. You know what we talking about, old school pimping. Don't act like you don't understand the game. Take it to the house. Little bezel on the easel, where you izzle? Come on, why you go over there where all the obstacle courses is? Come on, bring it on in there, Macavaki. Come on, now. Little bit of trouble. Don't let me come get you. All right then. Little bit of trouble. Come on, Joe. I'm talking to you. Man, you a fat ass rooster. Or chicken. Come on, Joe. I got stuff to do. Oh, you want to get in my oven? Come on in there. Come on in here. Alright, get on out of here. Don't let me touch you. Hard. Stay. Belly! Belly, come on, up. No, get back. Ah, you bastard. Get you quick for me. Ow! Come on, Billy! Ow! Ow! God damn it! Ow, dude, you're mean. Then he's thinking about stealing the other stuff. See, he attacks where it's connected. Hey, get off my phone! Hey, get my face! Hey, get up! What's wrong with you, homie? You messing with my YouTube? Do you go for my eye again? I will cook your ass, I promise you. Be the last eyeball you ever eat. Oh, goofy trooper. Your hormones gonna got you acting crazy. Dude, I can't get near you. Come on. I got more, guys. Who wants more? Kenny. Kenny, love. One love, please. One love. Here, guys. Now what you do? Here, Mama. She got kids. Let her have it. She deserves it. Shut the hell up, you do. Get back. Go on in. No. You done lost that privilege. You out here. No! Get your butt back. Come on, Belly. Come on in, Belly. Come on, girl. Crazy turkey wars. Alright, y'all. Please like and subscribe. Bing that bell. Smash that like and hit the notifications. And please subscribe. Peace.